Hello everyone and good afternoon. I am Harshada Shetty from second year BTech AIML. A little bit about me. I love reading books and listening to music and exploring creative hobbies that keep me inspired. Today I am going to speak on the book The Secret. This book has deeply influenced the way I think and I am excited to share my insights with you. Firstly, I would like to speak a few words about the author Rhonda Byrne. She's an Australian poet, a television writer, and a producer known for popularizing the concept of the law of attraction. Her work has been published in more than 50 languages and has inspired millions of people across the world. Moving to the introduction part of the book, The Secret, published in 2006, focuses on the book the law of attraction. The book explains that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. Positive thought attracts positive outcomes, while the negative thought attracts negative experiences. It also shares a real life stories of the people who successfully use this law. Overall, the book teaches how to use our mind as a tool of success, happiness, health, and abundance. I chose to read this book because Prithvi Vajpayee sir, he is one of the yoga mentor of mine. He suggested me the book and explained me how it has changed his mindset and improved his lifestyle. I was curious to understand how positive thinking and gratitude could actually influence reality. This curiosity encouraged me to pick the book up and it truly helped me to gain a new perspective towards my life. Some of the most important lessons I have learned from this book are whatever we focus on, good or bad, it comes back to us. There are 3 simple steps to manifest. That is to ask, believe and receive. Ask is to ask the universe about something you want to achieve in your life. Believe that you will achieve that thing in your life. And after believing, you will receive that thing, whatever happens. These 3 steps have already helped me to achieve a recent goal. I wanted to score more than 35 marks in my favorite subject in minor 2. So I asked the universe. I truly believed that I could achieve it, and eventually I received more than what I expected. Our thoughts have frequency and the universe responds to them. Setting clear goals and visualizing them makes us more focused and motivated. Gratitude increases positive energy and attract better things in our life. When we change our thoughts, we change our future. The Secret also shares many life-changing experiences that show the true power of law of attraction. One woman cured of breast cancer only focusing on laughter, positivity, and gratitude instead of fear. A man manifested a dream house by placing a photo on a vision board, and years later, he bought the exact same house he manifested for. Another young man visualized his dream job, and unexpectedly, the company hired him for the same position he imagined for. There is also a story of a businessman who saved his company by imagining success every day, and a boy who was told that he could never walk again was recovered through the strong belief and visualization. These stories prove that thoughts, faith, and gratitude can truly transform lives. In the end, I would like to recommend The Secret because it is simple, motivating, and practical. It teaches us how our thoughts influence the goals we want to achieve. This book helped me to develop a positive attitude and understand the real power of thoughts. Your thoughts are the beginning of every possibility of your destiny. Thank you for your time and attention. It was a pleasure sharing my thoughts on this book.